No.
It was just
Honest, centralized.
But what we want to tell the media is that there's been some development that might have far-reaching impacts on this case. And we urge you to wait till about 1 p.m. before we can give you updates. What we heard is that the IG who is behind this has been removed.
Of course.
Yes. By 1 p.m. they're supposed to announce his replacement. So you are hearing it from me, not as a victim. I'm giving you what I've always done in the last 20 years, which is breaking news to those of you who badly need it. So after 1 p.m., if you are still around, we'd like to, after we confirm officially that the illegal IGP has been finally asked to go back to retirement, which was due as of 2024, we will address you appropriately on the next steps to take. But we are still at this point pursuing the 30 million naira that was granted by, and we hope, as his own mark of respect before leaving office, we issue the checks before he packs out. Thank you very much. Until later.